The stock market is not doing too good. Not everything is falling, but the way the VIX ended today is not really looking good. Let's take a look at Tesla, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So Tesla closed at 428.75, down $6.40, 1.47%. Post market, we are down by 95 cents more. So let's take a look at our patterns. Pattern-wise, it's still okay. So yesterday we came outside of this downward channel right here. We are still outside of it. So that's the good news. Still outside of it. And we are still above support. So this is the good news. We have gone lower. We have support at 420.46. Look at how perfectly we have touched it today right here. The low of the day is 421.31. And the support is at 420.46. We are less than a buck away from it. This is confirming our lines. We are still making higher lows. This is a fact. We are still making higher lows. But today we have gone a little bit less high than where we were yesterday. And of course, because of this move down that we have suffered since October 2nd, stochastic is below 60. Our reversal indicator turned bearish and everything. But support is holding. So as long as support is holding, it's not too bad to have indicators go lower as long as support is holding. Support is more important than any indicator. Yeah, we are coming into a tighter range. The congestion zone that comes up to 452. We are reaching 440.13 and we are not breaking above. So this is the tight congestion zone that we are into it. When there's a tight congestion zone, the tighter the channel or the congestion zone, the less time it is going to last. We should be seeing a move recently. If we start breaking lower than 420.46, this is a sell. This is a sell down to 372. If we go higher than 452, then this is a buy. Let's take a look at the VIX. So this is what I meant earlier. VIX is at 25 right now. So we are up 4.67 today, 22% higher. This is not fun anymore. VIX stopped at 22.39 in June of this year. It stopped a little bit lower in August. And recently, since last Friday, we have been stopping below 22.39. This is a big pattern that we can see right here. Now we are going higher than that pattern. So we need to go back to April of this year to have a VIX this high. What did happen in April of this year? This is what happened. So right now, we have not gone very low compared to what happened in April. Yes, in April, we had the VIX go up to 60. So 60, that's pretty high. So we are not up to 60. But are we going there? Nobody knows. If we start going there, we could be seeing a flash crash happening everywhere. If we compare where we are right now at around 25, the last time that we were around 25 was in December of 2024. SPX went from 6,000 down to 5,800 approximately, and then it zigzagged even lower down to 5,700, and then it recuperated a little bit before going down further. And this is what has given us the most hated V-shape in history, that we are right into it. So right now, VIX at 25, this is really not good. So far, SPX is holding though. It's holding. It is still into this congestion zone. At the low end, we are at 65.49. At the high end, we are at 67.51. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones still into its downtrend. QQQ pretty much sideways, just like SPX. Nasdaq also pretty much sideways. The VIX is climbing, but everything else is staying pretty much the same. Something is going to happen. Either the VIX is going to come back down and cool down, or it continues and things really crash down. Let's take a look at gold and silver. So gold continuing higher, silver also continuing higher. So you know what this means. When there's uncertainty, people are going to gold and silver. And this is affecting Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin was able to hold above this bullish channel support. We were still going higher at this rate. But right now, this is gone. This is over. This is gone. So we have crossed below. We are outside of this bullish channel. And to give it a last chance, the last low we had was at 108.874. We close lower than that. This is not looking good. So Bitcoin could be going down to 98,000. This is the next support that we see. Ethereum was doing better. It was into this bullish trend a little bit. And now we have gone lower. There's still support. We have a last low at 38.19 before we start going down to 3,500. And the BMNR, of course, BMNR is starting to show some signs of weakness also. We are no longer part of this bullish channel. We were still into it yesterday. Today, boom, we have abdication. This one could be going down to 39.58 unless something else happens. So just be careful. Yes, we have some stocks that are moving higher. Oracle is doing not too bad. This is a buy signal I will be calling tonight on Discord. There's a few that are doing not too bad. Oscar is doing pretty good, but we need to really be careful. What is important is that we hold support. If we hold support and we are seeing some strength in some stock, then they can still give us some buying opportunities. And of course, if we start going even lower, then we are going to get a nice shorting opportunity. So right here is the shorting zone below 65.49. Let's call it 65.50. 65.50, if we go lower, this is a short. And people that sell calls, you know where you need to sell your calls? Right here. Right above this line, this is the safe area. You can sell covered calls like crazy right there above. This is the place to do. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.